Guys, so just to let you know, which I want to share with you guys, is that according to me, my face skin tone is different than my body. My face right now is tanner than my body. My neck and other parts are much fairer than my face. So even if I got a light or fairer foundation shade, I can still make it work because it will be matching with my body and it will not look more weird. When everything comes together, it will look nice. Here I'm just softening the creases on my under eyes and on lids. So guys, as this is a review of this foundation, I haven't used any concealer because I strictly wanted to test this foundation, how it goes. Although they were gray patches under my eyes where you can use the concealer or an orange corrector before wearing the foundation. I also wanted to check out whether this foundation gives a full coverage. So I'm layering another layer of foundation after setting with the translucent powder. Yes, so here comes another layer of translucent powder. Please don't forget to set your powder if you live in humid weather because it will not transfer the wet foundation onto something, so it is good. As you've seen that I have used this foundation right here, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Clay Foundation. Yes, it's a clay. It is thick consistency. It has a coverage. It gives the coverage from, say, medium to kind of a fuller, but not full, which I don't mind. It comes with 18 ml to 99 rupees. So yeah, I got a little bit of lighter. I ordered this from Nykaa. All my products are ordered from Nykaa. So yeah. So before that, this is the bottle which I literally emptied. I was in the shade 120 and here I got 115. Okay, I'll come back to this. So this is 30 ml, 4 rupees 500, which is literally empty. Empty, I've scooped every bit of it. This is a light to medium coverage and this gives more coverage than this one. So yeah, but I think it's gonna be over in like 7 to 8 uses of this. This is gonna be empty. It's a very less quantity according to me, so I would prefer to buy this one instead of the small one. It's also, this is convenient because it comes in a tube and you don't have to like scribble out with a brush or pour it out so that you can kind of tend to waste in this one. But I wouldn't mind buying this one because it's more quantity. I mean, I don't want to keep buying foundation every 15 days. I mean, I want my foundation to go a long way. Anyone which is looking good quality foundation with reasonable price, so Maybelline Fit Me gives you that result with quality and also quality for the price, worth the money. So I would advise you to please go and buy these ones. So this is the lighter coverage and this is the more coverage than this one. So yeah. medium coverage, I would say. I would give in that range. This is a lighter shade for me. I have a yellow skin tone. I'm fair, yellowish skin tone, so gold, anything gold suits my skin. So yeah, and also I have a little bit of dark, not dark I would say, a little bit of uneven skin tone. So for that, it gives kind of a gray, what do you call, grayishness. So, but not to worry, I can actually fix that with concealer. We have a better option for that, so yeah.